Sorry for the delay in videos and taking so long to get back to this. I was fighting the flu and I had no voice to make any videos or to draw. But now I am back and I'm going to show you guys today how to draw a groundhog. And the reason we're doing groundhog is because it is Groundhog's Day today. Now, to begin with our groundhog, we want to start in the middle of our paper and we want to begin with the eyes. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a circle for one eye. And then I'm going to leave some space, and right over here I'm going to draw another circle for the other eye. Then inside of here I'm just going to draw a little circle at the top. And then I'm just going to color in the rest of the circle for the eye. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. Now, starting right here, I want to make a nose for him. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that goes right across. And then I'm going to make kind of like a V shape to connect them. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and it's going to curve to here. And then I'm going to draw another one here that just goes down and then kind of curves around. Then I'm going to take this line and I'm actually going to draw it up around the nose, and I'm going to come down to this side right here. Then right in between here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down, over, and then up, kind of like a little square shape. And then right in the middle, I'm going to draw a line down for his teeth. Now, starting right here above the eyes, I'm going to draw two little lines like this, kind of like an M. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down to here, and then one that's going to curve down to here on this side. Then for his ears, I'm just going to make a line that goes up, and then it's going to curve down. Same thing over here, just kind of draw a line that goes out, and then kind of curve it in. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve all the way around, and then it's going to come up to here. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down and then up a little bit. And then I'm going to make another one that goes down and up. And then one more here, and then I'm just going to connect this. Same thing here, I'm just going to draw a line that just curves down and then goes up. And then go down and up, down, and then back up, and then curve around to connect them for the hands. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then another one right here. And then right along here, I'm just going to make a little wavy line, and I'm going to do the same thing over here, just so it looks like he's actually coming out of a little hole. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and then it's just going to kind of go down, kind of wavy again. Same thing over here, just kind of bumpy. Then I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line that just goes right across here. And then I'm going to draw some long kind of pointy lines for some grass kind of around his little dirt hole. Put another one right back here. And then right here, I'm going to make kind of like a little wavy line that goes down, and then it's just going to kind of curve around here. Add a little line there. And then I'm going to start here, kind of do the same thing, kind of make it go up here behind the grass. And then I'm also just going to put another one kind of back here, a little line that just kind of bumps around there. And that way it kind of looks like there's a little bit of snow on the ground. Then on here, I'm just going to add a couple little lines that just kind of go up, just so it looks like his hole is kind of coming out of the dirt. And there you go. There is your drawing of a groundhog. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.